Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5070311. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on Start if highlighted or click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on Restart. Now find App Readiness over here. So find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, again set this to automatic, click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on App Readiness, then click on Restart. Now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see Pause option, click on Pause. And then once paused, click on Resume Updates. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on Command Prompt tab. Make sure that you run Command Prompt as an administrator only. Click on Yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description, and then paste it over here, hit the enter. Now this will run a scan. In my case, the scan is already done. Now once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5070311 over here, and then click on search. Now over here, check your version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command over here, and check your version. In my case, the version is 25H2. And then check the system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, and then here you can see system type, find system type. It's 64-bit operating system in my case. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download over here, and then click on KB5070311, and then over here you will see the update downloading. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, run this file, click on it, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working, use fix problems using Windows Update option. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So reinstall now, click on it. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now over here, run this exe file, and then you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, you can click on finish, and then let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, click on install. This process will take some time. Now before you hit install, here you can see ready to install, keep personal files and app. By default, this option would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11, and you should be able to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.